Okay, let's take a look at a new Zippo today. Now this one came in a sleeved box and it says simply Zippo logo on the sleeve. Came in the normal Zippo black box with a chimney on the front, or the symbol of the chimney. And it also says Zippo logo on the back. Of course, it's made in Bradford, PA, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Now this one I really like, first of all because it's brass. It's a high polished brass, at least on one side. It's just a sticker on the front. Now this one looks like it was made in, looks like H of 17, so that was only, I believe that's August of this year. Pretty good stampings on this brass one. Now I like this especially because of of course the Zippo logo, but it also has a brass insert. That's really nice. That's the way it should be with a brass Zippo. Great sound. Lights up real nice. Now let's see if this Zippo can stand up to some of this canned air. It's 3M dust remover aerosol. So there is the canned air test. Stood up nicely to the canned air test. That is a brass Zippo made just a few months ago. High polish on one side. Let's see if I can stand up to a drop test. A lit drop test. If it'll light. Okay, here's the lit drop test. Okay, it passes the lit drop test and the canned air wind test. It's a real nice Zippo, mostly brass. That's a good one. And all these Zippos are made in the USA. Genuine Zippos made in the USA deserve cowbell. Knuckle bump.